reboot the dashcam. It requires 15 seconds press on the power button. It's still engineering mode, so the boots up process will take longer. Booting is for the connections with external cameras. There's a new button. Accessory to mount it to the vehicle. Okay. So, again, it's still engineering stage, so there's some manual process. All right, so then it's just like a Android device. Okay, so first of all, you can easily go to the settings, network settings, and then can connect it to my home Wi-Fi. It's Gummy Bear. Okay, once it's connected, I will be able to find it in my NX client. Okay. Let's go back to setting, go back to networking. Okay, that's it. Let's put it here. Let's move up a little bit. So it's a bit messy. Okay. All right. So there's one way to easily connect to the Android devices. So now I'm here. See the page. I'll go back to the main page. Right. So there is an app. Jeremy coded. It's called RT Camera. Basically, what it do is to provide RTSP streaming to the embedded NX server on the dashcam. Okay, once it did it, okay, take a look at it again. It's right here. So we turn on the RT cameras. Okay. Let me zoom in a bit just to see my monitor. All right, so move it around. So we can see this one ASCII dashcam. So it's all still in the LAN environment. Apparently I have login already. So right now, we still need to fix the power ID issue. So by default, there's a audio coming in with the RTSP streaming. So what I need to do now is to connect it, let me mute it, connect it to NX Cloud. Put in my password. Oh, I need a 2FA. So I have to stop the video right now. Okay, now I'm connected the NX server inside the dashcam to NX Cloud. And we're able to see right here on my login dashboards. So you can see that it just act as a, oops, sorry. It just act as a normal NX server, but instead it's in the dashcam. You can take a look at me right here. Hello, yeah. Okay, so it's also using a Qualcomm SoC, and it's the same way we run NX server in the previous body one camera. We buy mount a Debian OS. I think it's Debian 10 Buster. We buy mount a Debian OS and run NX on it. And let's take a look at the server information. So server settings, you can see that now we have 43 GB for the storage, right? So if I remember correctly, we are we're installing the OS and the server either on the flash or on the ROM, right? And we add a SD card, micro SD card to the dash cam, and we're using it as the storage drive. Okay. So everything's the same. It's just like an NX server, but on a dash cam. Pretty cool. Yeah. So let me see. I think there are some recorded file while I was driving last night. Yeah. So it was raining last night. I did a test drive on the street. So even though we don't have we haven't connected to NX Cloud, or we don't have direct access to the dashcam, and we don't have to worry. Yeah, that's me. So we don't have to worry because the NX server is on the dashcam, so it does the local recording. And you can notice that I have stopped the engines, and it will continue to run for about 15 minutes. I believe we can change the interval, but by default, it's 15 minutes. So after I stop the engines, it will still do the recordings. Why? So I will fast forward a bit so we can see that it was still recording, and then turn off right here. And it's my way back home. Yeah, so this is the night mode quality. I think it's pretty okay. Right now, the resolution is 720p, 30 frames per second, around 2.1 to 2.5 megabit per second, right? We've checked with their engineering team. We can increase the resolution to 1080p. And the RT camera application can also provide us the secondary strings, which is VGA 7 frames per second. And I think later this week or next week, I will receive the secondary cameras, right? So we will connect the secondary cameras. Excuse me. We will have the secondary cameras, and then one of the port is for the secondary cameras. So we can actually have dual cameras on this dash cam. Okay. Okay, so we can take a look at this is the, oops, I'm sorry. This is the night mode. It's pretty okay. Stop here a bit. Yeah, we can still read letters, but when it increases to 1080p, it should be much better. Okay, so I'm going to do another test drive later in the morning with sunshine. Okay, but this one is to show you the night mode while it's raining. Yeah. That's it. Thank you.